Another thing that we can do is set up variable wind. So I'm going to go to my launch here. On this previous launch we went about 790 feet. So on our wind table I'm going to back this down to about 800 feet. And then I want to change the wind direction here. Instead of coming out of the west, let's make it come out of the north at 8 miles an hour. So when it first takes off, it's going to be coming out of the west, and then as it rises higher into the sky, it's going to be coming out of the north. Okay, again, we have our launch pads sitting right here in the middle of the field, and we'll go ahead and launch, and we'll see what the wind is going to do to this one. You'll notice we're going a lot straighter. And the rocket, if we look at it from above, previously we drifted straight here to the east. Now we're going to the west, but it looks like it's curving around, and it's going to land somewhere over here. And I'll pause it right here, and we can get a better view of where it landed. You can see our trajectory has drastically changed because the wind has changed in this simulation. So it arced over a little bit to the south, and then as it started descending, it started going to the west, but eventually curved around, and it wants to go to the east, but it ran out of room. And so that's what you can do with wind, and you can have multiple layers at different velocities, and it makes for some very interesting flights, especially if you're going really high.